In this video, we're going to be looking at the importance of having an efficient and affordable SEO strategy. We're going to be looking at why you should rank higher on search engines and how you can do so without breaking the bank. Having a good SEO strategy is very important in e-commerce, mainly for two reasons. The first reason is that a strong SEO strategy helps you become more visible on search engines and helps you show up more in terms of your website and online content. The second reason is that having a strong SEO strategy will bring in more organic traffic to your website, which means you're going to be bringing in more potential customers as well. We do offer checklist 10.2 in the document kit for an SEO audit for your online business. But let's dive into some of the on-page and off-page aspects of SEO and what you need to focus on to become more effective in terms of those aspects. Before starting, you can use tools such as SEMrush and SEO Site Checkup just to see where you stand and where you rank in terms of these aspects. For on-site SEO page factors, there's many different things you should be focusing on. Some of the most important ones would be the title tags and what are the tags you attribute to the pages and the title pages of your website. Another one would be the meta descriptions, which is essentially the backdoor descriptions that search engines read when they land on your page and they crawl through your page. Another one would be the heading tags, looking at the collections titles or different titles of sections and collections on your website. Another one would be the URL structure of your website and how are the URLs structured and are they easy to read. On-page SEO looks at internal linking on your website and if there are many links going back and forth between pages, which is a good thing. It looks at image optimization in terms of alt tags and file size. Alt tags are backdoor tags and backdoor descriptions you attribute to graphics so search engines can properly read them. Another aspect would be how mobile friendly are your pages? Do they open up correctly? Are they user friendly? Search engines do care about this aspect because they know that many of their users, if not a majority of them, are using their search engines on mobile. You have to focus on your site speed and how quickly your pages open up, as well as your content quality and the relevance of the content when somebody lands on your page. We don't want to have a high bounce rate or people leaving your website after only viewing one page. Another aspect of on-page SEO would be keyword research and optimization related to that previous keyword research that we've talked about and really inputting and loading up words that people are relating to and are landing on your page because they're relevant to your business. We want your keywords to be optimized in order to optimize the user experience as well. We want an easy flowing user experience between pages and help your customer find the products quickly and find what information they're looking for quickly as well. We have to have a structured data markup, as well as a technical SEO backup in our website. The last on-page factor I'd mention would just be your content strategy, ensuring that you have a strategy for regularly producing high-quality content and changing up content on your website and on your pages so that Google doesn't see it being stagnant and not changing at all. In terms of off-page SEO factors, I would consider the most important ones to be backlinks, linking your website to other websites and vice versa, as well as the domain authority and how does your domain rank in terms of that industry? Are you seen as an authority or not? And we will be going through one of the methods to become more of an authority over time as well in one of the upcoming videos. We look at the social media presence and engagement, and that is a big factor for your off-page SEO, as well as your local SEO. So Google My Business pages, being on Google Maps, and having those local citations are very helpful. We look at brand mentions and reputation and how reviews and other websites are reviewing us, as well as your competitive analysis. I always say to have a competitive analysis, you have to see how you rank to other people in your industry, other people that might offer similar products. We want to see if other pages review them more and rank them higher, or are we ranked higher and why? So those are the major factors when you're looking at SEO and SEO audits. Moving forward in the next coming sections, we're going to see how you can tie together the AI tools we've been speaking about with all of the SEO strategies and the importance of SEO into one very specific use factor that I used for my business over time. And it really helped me rank and become a domain authority in my industry.